Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the gap and choosing the right target. Is it paragraph spacing, a table cell, or an extra page? Turn on Show/Hide to reveal hidden breaks and enable rulers for exact measurement. Once done, select the paragraph or object causing the space so your edits apply precisely. Make sure to check Styles pane if spacing looks persistent. Modifying the style prevents repetition. These immediate steps set up accurate, safe edits without guessing. Now adjust the properties that control spacing. Open paragraph settings and set before slash after to 0 or a precise value. Change line spacing to single or exactly as needed. If page gaps persist, inspect page layout, reduce top/bottom margins, or remove unintended section breaks. For tables, right-click, choose Table Properties, and set cell margins to 0 and turn off text wrapping when appropriate. Once you apply these changes, reflow the finish by eliminating manual breaks. Show hidden characters and delete extra page or section breaks, then recheck layout. Make sure styles aren't forcing spacing, update the style or clear formatting from affected text. This fixes recurring gaps. If the problem still appears, save and restart Word or copy content into a new document to isolate corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if a stubborn gap remains, convert the paragraph to normal style and reapply formatting. This often removes hidden spacing rules, causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.